I'm just going to let you know, if you watched our last video on abdominal massage, we are here with a fresh diaper because it worked, and he made a great dirty diaper for us. So definitely try that if your baby's having problem with bowel movements. I'm going to show you just some relaxation massage. I usually use a little bit of lotion. You can use lotion, baby oil, essential oils, whatever is your family's preference. And so I'm going to put a little bit of lotion on his back. And I'm gonna start with the least sensitive areas. So I'm gonna start on his legs and just kind of stroke from his hips to his ankles. And then the bottom of his feet. And then you can work your way up the back, starting with the legs and go all the way up doing what I call skin rolling. So again, I just use 2 fingers so that we know we're not giving too much pressure, and I'm just, it's exactly what it sounds like, rolling his skin up both his legs and up his back. If they have torticollis, which we talked about earlier, you want to focus on the side that their muscles are tight. If they don't have any asymmetries, you can just do it on both sides of the back. So you can do it while they're getting some tummy time in. Another great position to do it in is, I'm going to roll him over here. Hey, Scotty. And come up. If they like to rest on you, you can just let them rest here and just kind of massage their back while you're holding them. Again, this is a great thing to teach dad, grandparents, other caregivers, so that they can bond with baby and people who aren't feeding baby. You can also stroke the arms the same way. If you do research about baby massage, you want to stay away from anything with the skull or anything that claims to help lymph drainage unless you've been to a specific course. So you just want to focus on general massage, and again, stay away from any soft spots in their skull or anything that claims to help lymph drainage unless you've gone to a certification course yourself. So we're doing just general arms and legs. You saw the abdominal massage and you saw the back massage. So let us know if you have any questions. They usually really like it. It's great to do after bath time. And follow us for more developmental tips.